everyone, we're here today to show you our new ZINUS bed frame and headboard. We're excited about this furniture. It is a great value. All the pieces come with it, so assembly is a cinch. You can get this bed off of Amazon for a really competitive price. Let's open up the box and take a look piece by piece. Our bed frame is out of the box, and you are going to be surprised to see that there is only one actual piece that comes out of the box, because all the legs and the slats are actually inside a zipper compartment inside the headboard. So we're going to drop this down, and we're going to show you how the pieces are packed in. It made it a cinch to get out of the box. These look like the pieces that go on the side. These are the slats and the metal frame. More side pieces. These pieces themselves are relatively light, so you can lift these with one person. But all of them together makes the box very heavy to lift. So again, you need at least 2 people. We've got all the parts out of the box. These are the legs that go on the bottom, and it comes with all the little tools that you need to attach the legs. We've also got an illustrated instruction sheet, and so we're looking forward to putting this together. We've succeeded in actually setting up the frame. The supports are really great. It comes again with all the little nuts and bolts that you need to screw in to make the pieces tight and stable together. So if you take a look at the frame, it's actually a perpendicular structure. So there's 2 metal bars that cross each other, and so they help, of course, stabilize the frame. And they're all connected with these bolts that are included. So we're going to zoom back and also notice that the slats come down. Or the slats are here, but then they're anchored by these Velcro strips, and the slats here are actually already connected by a Velcro strip that goes on top of the frame itself. So it's very convenient. They're all properly spaced, and you don't have to worry about placing them in an orderly manner. So let's put these down and see how it looks. Our bed frame is assembled. It took us about 30 minutes. We're very happy with the design and the way it turned out. Let's have a look at the upholstery. There is a little bit of padding everywhere you see here, and the stitching and the button detail is really classy and yet contemporary. You've got a little bit of padding here, and so as it sits above your mattress, you're going to have a really clean and complete look. Looking below the frame itself, the mattress is actually going to sit on top of the slats, and it's going to be flush with the sides of the frame. So the mattress is actually not going to be sitting inside the frame, it's going to be sitting on top of the slats as a platform bed would. So you can actually get this bed off Amazon, or you can avoid taxes and save 10% on our link below off the ZINUS website. We are very happy with the value, and this is just a great bed frame. So we hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching Inside Sleep Reviews, and we'll see you guys soon.